Standing on this stupid stick, what's the deal today? Why's it got to be like this? We didn't fly away. Did we make a wrong turn? Flapped into the gloom? Or just two parrots dreaming of a sunlit room?